Apple may host the iPhone 12 launch event on October 13, and the smallest model likely to be called iPhone 12 mini. What's up guys, Abhijit here, and in this video I'm gonna talk about latest news of iPhone 12 series. So before we start, I will suggest you subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Apple is reportedly going to release its iPhone 12 lineup on October 13, and the lineup will likely include a 5.4-inch variant and two 6.1-inch models, and a high-end 6.7-inch variant. A recent report suggests that the 5.4-inch variant will be an entry-level smartphone and will likely be called the iPhone 12 mini. The leak further suggests that the 6.1-inch model will be simply called the iPhone 12, which is in contrast with earlier report that suggests the model will be called iPhone 12 Max. The other two models will be known as iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max according to the leak. Currently, iPhone 11 Pro with a 5.8-inch screen is the smallest Apple flagship. With the launch of the 5.4-inch model, the iPhone 12 mini will be the smallest of the lot. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo also predicted that the purported iPhone 12 mini will feature a narrow notch area as per his research. The other three iPhone 12 models are going to have the same notch size as iPhone 11 lineup. The iPhone 12 lineup is also set to bring 5G connectivity to Apple devices, although a recent report suggested that the only flagship 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max model will support the fastest mmWave 5G connectivity. The smaller models are reportedly going to carry support 6 type of 5G service, which is more common, despite being slower in comparison to the mmWave. The 6 type of 5G service has a wider range of coverage. The report released earlier this month had said that the mmWave 5G will be available in 3 countries, the United States, South Korea, and Japan. Anyway, for all the latest update on the iPhone 12 lineup, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.